Hi, Victoria Ku here, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will be making an in-depth review of the affiliate program, the Profit Machine, created by super affiliates Jonathan Montoya and Thomas Garetz. I will also be showing you my results, the results of the affiliates inside the program, and make sure to stay until the end because I will be giving a super bonus to anyone joining the Profit Machine, and I'll also be explaining how you can get access to this super bonus. Okay, but first let me properly introduce myself. My name is Victoria Ku. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4, and I started my online business because I wanted to be able to bring an income home without having to sacrifice my family time. And since I started affiliate marketing, I've been able to bring an income home and take care of my kids at the same time. I am now showing other parents make the same thing. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, parenthood, and how to balance being an entrepreneur while being a parent, then please subscribe to my channel as I'll be making videos every week, and tap the notification bell so that you'll get notified as soon as a new video comes out. So, what exactly is the Profit Machine? Well, the Profit Machine is made in a way that if you're brand new into the affiliate world, you can get a done-for-you system where all you have to do is send traffic to the affiliate offer. The cool part is that you can get started with only $1. With that dollar, you gain a golden ticket to a 7-day trial to the Profit Machine. So when the 7-day trial ends, you have 2 affordable options to choose from. One is a $37 monthly fee, or you can pay a one-time $157 fee, which will give you lifetime access. And this is the one I highly recommend to get if you truly want to succeed in this business and you don't want to be paying monthly fees. The commission rate for the Profit Machine affiliate program is at 40% 2 tiers, which means that you make 30% on tier 1 and 10% on tier 2, which is amazing because other affiliate programs don't give that opportunity. This is what the opt-in page looks like. And if you decide to become an affiliate for this program and you decide to join the Profit Machine, you'll get access to 4 different opt-in pages, which some of them convert better than the others. So let me show you. This is the first one. This is the second opt-in page you'll get. This is the third one, and here's the 4th one. And here's where you'll be able to send people to the offer. Once you put your email, let me put my email here, continue. Here you'll get the video explaining what the system is, how the system works, and how you'll be able to start making money with it. Okay. In that same page, you'll be able to sign up for the $1 trial. As you can see here, it's $1 trial for 7 days. So once you put all your information and you click get access, you'll have the option to pay the $157 for lifetime, and then you won't be charged the $7 per month. Okay, here's the cool part. I joined this program, and within 24 hours, I had made $158, which basically covered the cost of getting the lifetime access to this program. And within 10 days, I had made over $600. And let me show you my dashboard. Okay, so here are my results for the affiliate program, the Profit Machine. And as you can see, this is not my main affiliate program that I offer. This is an offer that I added on my business. And just in a few days, I was able to make $621, which is really cool because this system, it's made in a way that it converts really well. Okay, so once you're in the program, you'll see those 4 steps, and that's all you have to do. You have to follow these 4 simple steps in order to start making money with the Profit Machine. Okay, so step 1 will be to join the Facebook group. And I'll show you what's inside the Facebook group in just a second. Okay, so here's the Facebook group, and this is inside of the Facebook group. And only affiliates for the Profit Machine have access to this group. So this is a private group where we all share our wins, where we ask all of our questions and our questions are answered, and where we support each other. And in this community, we all help each other, and that's what it's amazing about having a community with an affiliate program, because it helps us grow and stay motivated. So let me show you. This affiliate program launched 16 days ago. I think it's less than 2 weeks ago. And there's already 3,583 affiliates inside the program. So this is huge. Let me show you the results of the affiliates inside of the program. And for many people here, this is their first affiliate program. So they started from scratch and they have already made a lot of money from it. This person here made $219, $833, $2,493, $1,237. As you can see, people have been making money with this program within a few weeks. And some are just using solo ads, some are using organic traffic, and there's many ways to drive traffic to the offer. So the possibilities are endless. So once you have joined the Facebook group, then you'll be taken to step number 2. On step number 2, you'll be invited to Supercharge. What is the Supercharge? Well, let me show you. So this step, as it says here, is 100% optional, but 100% worth it. And let me explain to you why it's worth it. So for $247, you can unlock higher commissions, additional income streams, and bonus trainings. And let me show you what's inside of it. So if you decide to Supercharge, you'll get a members area where you'll be able to sign up, and here's where you'll get all the bonus trainings, where you'll be explained what to do and how to unlock more income streams and more commissions, of course. Well, basically it allows you to unlock more commissions. So instead of getting 40% to tiers, you'll be able to make up to 70% in commissions with 3 tiers. So it means that on tier 1, you'll make 40% commissions, 20% commissions on tier 2, and 10% commissions on tier 3. Now, just imagine the impact on your income potentials. But wait, that's not all. With the Supercharge, you will get bonus trainings, as you can see here. You will learn how to set up your own system in order to collect emails. And what that means is that you will start building your email list, which will allow you to do email marketing. And what does email marketing mean is that you will be able to add more income streams into your affiliate business. And that's not all. You will also get advanced strategies. It's how you will set up your system. You will get a funnel done for you with System.io, which is a free software that you'll be able to use in order to build your email list. And you will also get access to an email campaign where all you have to do is change the affiliate links, and you'll get a video explaining you exactly how to do that and where to get the links and how you can become an affiliate for all of the other affiliate programs that will be in the email campaign. Now, what's amazing with affiliate marketing is that if you have your own system set up and you're building your email list, you can add as many income streams as you want. So with one business, you can have multiple sources of income. Now, let me show you what other sources of traffic that you can start building. And those are organic traffic, which means that it's a free traffic that you won't have to pay for any solo ads or ads in order to bring people into your offer. Okay, so you'll have how to make short form content. This is 100% done for you. Short video to copy, major elements to think about as you create your short videos, 5-10 your efforts by reposting in seconds. All of that you will be getting if you Supercharge. Okay, you'll also learn how to do Facebook organic. Here's where you'll be able to sign up in order to get the more commissions. You'll simply be able to sign up for the Supercharge affiliate program. 4, it's how to send traffic. Advanced is additional income streams. That's where I told you that you'll be able to just click and become an affiliate for other affiliate programs, which are high ticket affiliate programs as well. As I mentioned, the supercharge is completely optional and you can always decide to join later. Now, if you didn't get the supercharge, then on step 3 is where you'll be able to sign up earning commissions. Here's you'll sign up to start earning commissions in an affiliate for the program. So I'm already in. And step 4 is where you learn how to send traffic without having to create any content. Okay, so now it's time for my super bonus offer. And let me show you what it is all about. Okay, now, this is my offer. It's called the Profit Machine Bonus Offer, and it will only be available for lifetime members. So if you decide to join the Lifetime Profit Machine, then this is my bonus for you. Okay, I will be giving you a one-on-one coaching call worth $500. So it will be 1 hour. If it takes a little bit more, it's okay, but it will be one call. And here's what's included in my call. Okay, I will show you how to use your social media accounts to drive organic traffic, which means free traffic. You won't have to pay for solo ads or any ads at all. Okay, I will help you set up your social media accounts. I will show you how to create short form videos and how to post that same video in 5 different platforms. So one click, 5 different platforms. And I will answer all of your questions and doubts about the program. And you will also get my top Instagram hacks. Now, I've paid for all of that. And I am going to give you all of this as a bonus just for joining the Lifetime Profit Machine. I will be leaving the offer doc on the description, and I will also be leaving the link to the Profit Machine so that you can join. In order to get my bonus offer, all you have to do is send me a screenshot with proof that you joined the Lifetime, and we'll be able to schedule a call. Now, here's the thing, as I already mentioned, I'm a mom of 4 and my time is very limited. So if you want to get a call as soon as possible with me, make sure to join now, because I don't have a lot of free time and I won't be able to make all the calls right away. So first come, first serve. Okay, now I have a very serious question for you. Are you ready to start making serious money online? Because the Profit Machine plus my bonus offer will help you achieve financial freedom that you've always dreamed of. If you found this video valuable, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and reviews on online businesses. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my one-on-one call, or until next video.